Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss how to add an npm bootstrap package in the Angular application. So in case if you missed the previous video which is on the how can we edit an application in Angular, please check the link in the description and let me know if you have any doubt in the comment. So let's start here. How can we add Angular or bootstrap package into the Angular? So in the Angular we are using ngx bootstrap, which is providing the different component of bootstrap, and bootstrap is used for the designing purpose and the like alerts, buttons and date picker, pagination, which is providing that components are providing by the bootstrap. So we are using that. So let's add the ngx bootstrap into the application. So we are installing like npm install ngx. Okay, so it is simply install the bootstrap in our Angular application, which you can see in the package.json if package is installed or not. So over here you can see ngx bootstrap library is automatically added over here when you running this command. Okay, so for more information you can search that library name on the Google. So over there you can get the documentation of this library. How can we add pagination in Angular, how can we add pagination, how can we add drop downs, models and alerts, etc. Okay, so this is the one way to add bootstrap into the Angular. So let's see how can we add the JS file into the Angular. Okay, bootstrap JS and CSS file for the Angular. Okay, so here is the script of Angular. For that, this is the another way to add bootstrap into the Angular. For that you have to open angular.json file. In that you need to download this file, which is the JS file, and need to save into in our project src asset and bootstrap.min.js. Okay, so same way we have to download this CSS file also. So in the same location we have to save this file bootstrap.min.css. so we can add this JS file into the script part. Okay, src dash bootstrap rename. You have to give a proper path of bootstrap file. Okay, same way we can add CSS into the styling structure. So the CSS name is bootstrap.main.css. Okay, so this is the another way we can add the CSS and JS file into the Angular application. Now you can use any of the bootstrap class over here. Let's try this button. First let's try this button. Click me. tab equals to button and class equals to primary. This is the primary class is a bootstrap class of, and let's run the application. Okay, let's also add in the test configuration. Okay, let's run the application localhost 4200. You can see here btn primary. Okay, so here you can see the color is changed. It is the bootstrap class. For that you have to write btn primary. For this for that info you can write over here class info. To learn more things about it, you can check this documentation over here, which is where you can learn all the things. Okay, so if you have any doubt in this discussion, please comment below, and see you in the next session.